So let us start. Format 4. Practice 1. So this practice is for question number 18 for May-June 2010 P11. Okay. So first thing that we do is initialization. Alright, so in format 4 we have two level initialization. One that we do right at the start and one during the execution of the program. Alright, so here. So let us leave few lines for initialization and then we start with outer count. Since this is 365 days count and 365 days representing a year, so it is bigger in sense. That is why this would become our outer count. So for outer count is equal to 1 to 365. Alright, then we have inner count and that would be for inner count is equal to 1 to 10. This is for the reason that something is happening 10 times per day in this particular question. Now, as per the situation, we need to find what our input. So this is just one input, temperature. So we would write input, let's write temp, input temperature. There is no formula, so we skip it, but we do need total. Alright, so total is equal to total plus temperature. As I said, if there is a formula, we will use the output of formula. If there is no formula, then we will use the input in total. So output highest, output lowest, output average. We don't need anything like counting with decision except extreme values. And you see extreme values they require for the whole year. So they would come where it is mentioned in the format. So let's just do that. If temperature is greater than highest, then highest is equal to temperature. And they also require the lowest temperature of all. So let's write the second one. If temperature is less than lowest, then lowest is equal to temperature. So this is old stuff, we already know about it, so no more discussions, and that's it. Now we need to write count. We get back to the same. Now it is bit necessary to write this inner counting here so that we have an idea that which next belongs to which for. Alright? Although it is optional, but it is good idea to use the same variable here. Now, average 1. We need this average because they need us to have average temperature per day. So, average 1 is equal to, alright, we made one mistake. This should be total 1 plus, so we use same here, total 1 divide by n1 n2 which is basically 10. Now, do we need any percentage? No. So we just skip down to total 2. Alright. So total 2 is equal to total 2 plus total 1, and then we need to initialize this total 1 as well. This is second initialization. Alright, now after that we will wind up inside work, and we have this next outer count. Okay, now we need to have average of the temperature of the whole year, plus we need to output highest over the year, lowest over the year. So let's just do that. Average 2 is equal to total 2 divided by n1, which is 365, multiply with 10. Alright, so we have average 2. Now what do we need to output? All we need to output is now output average 2 highest and lowest. That's about it. This is